السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. معكم رشيد عواد Business Communication Coach في اللغة الإنجليزية. حصة اليوم كتدخل في حصص تدعيم في اللغة الإنجليزية، واليوم في الجرامر عاوتاني عندنا the verb to have. The verb to have اللي كيتحول وكيولي had و has، ولكن فوقاش كنديروهم؟ قبل ما ندخل الحصة بغيت نقول لكم بأن الكومنتير ديالكم راهم مهمين، ملي كتخليهم ليا راه منهم كندير الحصص، واللي بغى شي حصه تدعيم ولا شي حاجه سبيشال يخلي الكومونتير تحت، والباقي ما اشتركتوا معنا اشتركوا معنا باش دائما يجيكم الجديد. اوكي، الكومونتير ديالكم راه مهمين والاشتراك ديالكم اهم اكثر. اوكي سو ليتس جيت ستارتد. have has had. اوكي، have هي عندي. The verb to have شفناه في present simple، و to have in present simple هي بالضمائر أنا، أنت، هو، هي، نحن. كنديرو I have، you have، she has، he has. Okay, she has، he has، we have، you have، they have، it has. عندنا he و she، it كندير لهم has. أنا باقي هذه الضمائر الأخرى كنديرو have. نعاودوهم I have، he has، she has، it has. okay, we have، أنتم في الجمع you have، هم they have. okay, very simple. هذه الجملة الإيجابية. أما الجملة السلبية وهي the negative form of the sentence كتولي I don't have. I don't have، أنا ما عنديش. I don't have. Do you have a pen? I don't have a pen. okay, العكس ديال I do have one، ولا I have a pen I don't have a pen. okay, I don't have a pen. He, she, it كتكون has. He has، she has، it has a pen. كتولي doesn't have. doesn't have a pen. He has a pen، she has a pen، it has a pen. negative ديالها he doesn't have a pen. هاد doesn't ملي كانت جات قلنا في الأول جات من does not. does not، does not. okay, does not. شدينا ودرنا contraction. okay، ورجعناها doesn't. okay، هادشي كيولي doesn't. alright, so in English, in the proper English ما كنقولش does not have حيت شوية ثقيلة. speech especially في الهضرة he, she, it doesn't have. I don't have، she, he, it doesn't have. and the others ضمائر أخرى we don't have، you don't have، they don't have. very simple and clear. okay, very simple and clear. alright، نعاودها مرة أخرى. I don't have a pen. He does not have a pen. She does not have a car. It doesn't have food. We don't have money. You don't have any luck. مانيك زهر. They don't have things. معنيوش حاجات. okay، هذا في don't negative form for present. okay، to have فاش كتحول الباست كتولي had. I have كتولي I had. I have a pen دابا في هذا الوقت المضارع present. في الماضي I had a pen. البارح I had a pen. اليوم ما عنديش وقيلة، ولكن البارح I had a pen. okay، نمشيو الضمير هي وشي it تا هما had. He had a pen. She had a pen. It had a pen. Alright? سهل. دابا عندنا الضمائر الضمائر الأخرى تا هي. We had a pen. You had a pen. They had a pen. سهلة. In the past have كتولي had كاع الضمائر. I, you, he, she, it, we, they كلهم عندهم had. فوقاش كتبدل علينا شويه الحركه هي فاش كنمشيو للنيجاتيف فورم. So the negative form I had كتولي I didn't have a pen. I didn't have. I have في الباسي I didn't have نيجاتيف ديالها. He, she, it had a pen كتولي doesn't have a pen. Doesn't have a pen. Okay? Doesn't have a pen. He doesn't have a pen. She doesn't have a pen. It doesn't have a pen. Alright? We had a pen. Negative ديالها. We didn't have a pen. قلم. You had a pen. ولا you had something else you didn't have. They had, didn't have. Okay? نرجعو عاوتاني شوية revision. We recapitulate again. نعودو. Have كتولي had في ال past. had كتمشي كاع مع الضمائر. في l'affirmative. I have كتولي I had. He have كتولي he had. She has كتولي she had. It has كتولي it had. We have كتولي we had. And the same thing for you and they had كانت have في present. في negative form I had I didn't have. He, she, it هاد ثلاثة هادو كانوا had في negative كيولوا doesn't have. We had we didn't have. You had you didn't have. They had didn't have. Okay? I just want to explain something. I had not. نيجي هذا أيضا. Didn't have. I didn't هي. I had not. ولكن كتجي تخيلها شوية في الإنجليزية. British literature كيخليوها. I had something to eat yesterday. Okay? ونقدر لها I had not had something to eat yesterday. Here I didn't have anything to eat yesterday. Okay? So I'm going to go. I didn't have something to eat. I didn't have. I had not have anything to eat yesterday. ولكن ما كنديروهاش وكنمشيو didn't, doesn't. هو doesn't, هي doesn't, it doesn't. Okay? So very simple, very clear, straightforward. Have, has, had. This lesson I summarized it. لخصها هكا ودرسها في واحد الإطار اللي سهل الفهم كنتمنى. وكنتمنى هذه الحصة كانت very exciting to you as it was for me. وكنتمنى بلي درت لكم النقاط على الحروف وفهمتي الدرس. واللي بغى شي حاجة في الدعم صيفط لي كومنتير. Please don't forget to subscribe. Take care now and have yourself a good one. Bye now.